outside the bank, and the wind was blowing. I don't know. I mean, that was really weird. You would have thought that the thing, well, it must have blown away somewhere, but it came to rest like right under my car. It probably said, you know, this car is a piece of crap. You're going to need this money pretty soon to get rid of it.
Or come to office hours now longer. You know, some people were probably address.
How many people are still short on coach's call here? And the important thing, where's your stop? Yeah, I'm lowering my stop to 54 right now, 24 points away. Hey, what do we do on track record for this one, Coach? When if you're still in the trade and I get stopped on my trailing stop, what are we going to do? Take a vote. I would suggest IFT. Yeah, do your own entry. Wait for the next high stochastic. I hate entering a trade after. Think about this one. Now this one I got a little late. I got 33,079. Imagine you going in at 24, and now my stop that I'm lowering to 49. I get stopped out at 49, and you go in at 24 and get stopped out at 49. Yeah, the best trade wins. That's a good one. Yeah. My stop is 44 right now, guys. 44 on this trade. Official exit is 44. job, Killer B. Official exit is 44. Look, you can always do another trade, guys. Also, it's getting too near the open. Yeah, I have a feeling. I have a sneaky feeling. Two people I talked to on Wall Street. They needed to cover some call options, so they'd rather have the call options higher so they could sell them. Does that make sense? What I just said, John. They need a little bit higher. They have call options as hedges. And obviously, if the market goes up, call options increase in value so they could sell the call options. Does that make sense? That's what we mean by the way, quad witching. Lots of these institutions use options. There's one of them. I think Coach's place is on fire now. They gave him the bed. It's the old prisoners they get out. They set the bed on fire so that and then he escapes. All right. Get rid of the bed bugs that way. Burn them. Oh, you guys are
I still got one left, guys.
All right.
Stop out.
There they are. Right now, you have very short-term resistance at 33,108. Bigger resistance where we were shorting this morning around 33,166. So keep those numbers in mind. Right here is where first resistance is. We'll trade. Right here. Second resistance. Right there. This is where we went short before. 2 arrows I got in there for you guys.
It's a good re-entry, but I moved my stop down now, guys. Last contract.
Now, remember, newer traders, those who signed up recently, give yourself about 6 minutes after the open before you start following our calls. So it's almost as if there's a blank period where you don't do anything. Those who've been with us a while and have been practicing have gone through all of the setups, taking the coaching. certainly trade the open. Yeah, 108 would
Still
be a
short,
W.
though.
Yeah, 108 would be a W pattern. We have 3.5 minutes.
Is there anybody still short? Nope.
No, they're waiting
Yes.
for the open.
And Killer B, nice job, guys.
Probably just keep moving your stop.
Keep trailing. I am going to go on this last little retracement, 73. Sorry. Yep, 73. Can't lose.
So I'm just waiting. I'm going to wait for 6 minutes, like most of you will be waiting. And I promise there will be good trades.
Nope, no more trades.
You have to go home now. Room's
Market's just
closed.
going to go flat.
We're going to have one minute.
The market
The
itself.
room will be open for 1 minute and we can go home. Yeah. The 1 minute work day. That'll be good. It's
There
like
you go,
that.
Warren.
There's Ken Blanchard wrote the 6 minute manager. Yeah, we'll have the 1 minute work day. Liberty Trading Club, home of the 1 minute work day.
Well, technically, it's like
Still the open.
a 45-minute workday, right? Most people
Yeah.
are done already.
Be cool.
Home of the 45-minute workday. And you get an extra DVD of 6 minute abs. But wait, they have 5 minute abs.
Yeah.
That's right. And for 800 installments of $49.99, we can have a miracle performed at your home.
Now, Coach, we're going to use 44 as the official exit for that trade where I got out, or what?
Yep.
Okay.
Sounds good. That's where most people took it.
Yep. All right, guys, get ready. 1 minute till we open the quad witching. Yeah, remember Reverend Popoff. I love him. Jesus himself will come to your home and give you money. Love it. Now, if you go long at 108, your target's going to be about 138, guys. This is for, again, more advanced traders. We don't want new traders getting chopped up in the open.
Bingo.
Market is, the trend is down. All three elements of the trend are down. You have the 15-minute, the 60, and of course the daily pivot is 672. And there's my 138 target.
Nice.
Boom, 30 points.
Get that.
And we are open for business.
And I am still trailing your long, Coach.
Nice. Wow. Shouldn't say wow, guys. Most of you knew this, right? Who else said it? Dan said it, I think.
You guys, any advanced guys still in this with me?
Spy did it.
Good job, guys.
Will Trade knew it. For those who just signed up, and yeah, the institutions try to push the market. And again, I was talking to a couple of people. They said that they needed it higher to get call option premiums higher. And yeah, Fast One got it.
Stops at 150 now.
Beautiful.
You guys are flat.
Woo!
Man, trailing, guys. I'm just trailing it.
Just keep trailing, guys. This is a no loser.
67.
You should all be long around 108, 109. I got filled at 110. I got 2 ticks slippage.
Stops at 67, leaving it.
Nice. Oh, man.
Yeah, like it. Let's go 70.
Kugaracha trade already.
70. Come on, guys. Who's in this? You guys in it?
I love this. Nice chat. Oh, you front run us. Very
85. 185, guys. Come on.
Whee!
Come in this with me.
Whee!
185. This call's definitely going in the records, right, Coach?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna take one off here. I got one left. I'm gonna just follow Coach's stop. That's all.
I'm like an 85 right now.
All right.
Let's go up a little bit more. Let's do 200 even.
I got 231 on that last one. Now I have one left. Following the stop. Following Coach's stop.
Let's do, I like 200 for some reason.
All right. Can't lose, guys. Can't lose. Just relax. Enjoy the ride.
All right, let's move it up a little bit now. Let's go to 205.
205 it is. 205 is your trailing stop. 205 is the trailer.
Every bar, I'm just going to do a couple more ticks, guys, because we are probably in resistance. All right, let's do 207.
207. That'll be the official exit wherever we get out, guys.
Oh, well, I want to take as many ticks as possible then.
Beautiful way to start the day. Actually adds to your green. Everybody was green before this one, right?
Come on, puppy. Run.
Those quad witches are getting ready up. We're done.
Yep, done. 207.
207.
Nice
So-
job, guys.
I mean, could have easily made over 100 points on that one, and you should have. But the last one, we'll call it as 207. 99-point winner. I love it. 207. This is fun. Trading with the witches.
Good thing we have a Supreme Sorcerer.
Yeah, we have sorcerers, witches, warlocks.
We got the Trading Wizard, Supreme Sorcerer. We can keep witches away. Don't worry about that, guys.
I know. It's better than mugging.
I know, right?
I gave up mugging old ladies in the park. I'll tell you, this is easier.
I was talking to somebody yesterday when I was at the grocery store, and they were talking to me about some business plans or something. And if I wanted to be in, I said, I really don't like working, right? Working is not my forte.
Yeah. There was an old show called Dobie Gillis where his friend Maynard didn't like to work. And he would like get full shivers and all when they mentioned the word work.
That's what happens to me. That's what happens to me. I don't consider this work. What we do with you guys is like a dream. It's like a dream job.
Hey, guys, yeah, it's like Al Michaels sitting there. I mean, he gets to go great seats all the game, and he doesn't have to get hit by anybody. Here we go. Wow.
Boom, first target. That was easy, right? And 6 minutes are up, guys.
Okay, people, 6 minutes are up. See if this has a little more oomph left into it, forms a double top around 32,260, and then we take a short. Trend is still down. We're looking for resistance near the 60-minute. You see that 20-period moving average, 33,319. I don't think it'll get up that high, but we'll see. Because remember, now they'll need puts premium. So how do you get put premium? Push the market down, right? What are the ticks doing, guys? Above zero, below zero? Just watch everything. Let this little puppy push up a little more. Still looking for a little rally toward resistance, guys. Little rally toward resistance. If we can get like 50 points higher. Yep.
I still have one left on that long trade. So
yeah, it'd be nice to get that higher target, and then we look for the short. Don't short yet, guys. The low is 33,017. Add 169 to that, right?
Not a batch.
So this 186 was actually a 169-point rally. Can you believe that? From the low right there. Yeah, I'm staying out until the report comes out. PMI composite flash, guys, 945. As it pushes up, guys, now you can get your reference point for an M, right? Once it pushes up, then you've got a place where buying came in, right? 147. That becomes your focal point for an M, right? Her objective is always to go and beat up on the weak hands. Here we go toward that 250 area. Coach Brian is still long, right, Coach?
Yep.
Yep. Good job, David.
Nice.
Love to see you guys green. This is the PMI composite flash. Sounds horrible. Some PMI guy is going to be flashing. I don't know. You can see how thin it is right now, guys. Thin bids and offers. Watch the support, watch the resistance, guys. Keep your green.
I'm just sitting here being patient.
Yeah, you can see how choppy it is, guys. I mean, it's running in 50-point increments.
Yeah,
Well,
I'm not gonna-
Sartor, you want to buy? Where would you buy, and where's your stop? I'd rather short it on a breakdown, to be honest with you, because the trend is down. We have come into some small resistance areas, and if it can't hold, guess what? They're looking for, if they're looking to make money on puts, does the market have to go up or down? First point was up, right? They had to make money on hedging their call options. So it goes up first. Then the next area would be down. So if you want to buy, go long at 108, where we went long. So my question is, did you go long where we recommended? If you did not, why would you go long now? I don't need to go long up here when I went long at 109. I don't chase markets. Rule number one, if I caught a low price and ran 99, actually on that second one, I made 112 points. So why would I buy it here? Give me a good reason to go long here. If it never comes down again, I don't care. So my question, did you buy it at 108, Sartor? Did you go long at 108? Okay, so you see what's happening? You do not trade. That's it. Just have the discipline to walk away. And then Monday come in. Yeah, exactly. Then, I mean, I'm serious about it. Pretend you're a doctor or a lawyer. You don't walk into court an hour late and like, hey, is everybody waiting for me? You don't do it, you know. Yeah, we went long on that buy stop 108. Here, I'll show you the trade. Now I'll go long if the trend turns up. We had a buy stop right here. Yeah, exactly. Stay out. That's what I'm doing.
That's a prudent advice. Prudent advice. Stay out.
Especially with the volatility. That's all. I mean, and again, you can do it. Just show me where your stop is. You know, you can go long right here, but what are you going to do? 168 stop? That's where I have a sell stop right now, 168. And why am I doing 168? Because anyone who buys it here is going to be very sadly disappointed, and they'll all be panicking and going down. Now, if it doesn't, guess what? I don't have a trade. I sit there. We've already called 4 good trades.
Winner, 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 chicken dinner.
Yeah. Now, if the 60-minute trend turns up, I'll go long. If the right, I mean, that's why we have rules. We have, or let's not have a trading class. We'll have trade whatever you want. You can do it if you're very, very green. Then you are allowed counter trend trades. So there's rules we have for counter trend traders. Yeah, 147 is even better than 168. I raised mine. I actually have both of them, Graham. Again, later on, you'll learn a little bit more about scale type of trading. But one contract, in other words, I have 2 micro minis at 168. I'm not willing to risk a lot of money. But if it breaks 148, that's where I have 3 full contracts. All right, does that make sense? In other words, I'm not sure if it breaks here that it's going to plummet. Not sure. I know they want to get money on their puts. And yeah, the market's down 200 points and the 60 is still down. We're still below the daily pivot. But you see how far the market ran up. Also, I don't like to short when momentum is up. So I'm still being very cautious. Now, in the beginning, when you only have one contract to trade, you don't have the luxury of defining higher risk, lower risk. You're all in or all out. It's like a poker game. But when you start trading multiple contracts, you have that option of, am I going to get more aggressive or less aggressive? That's a big part of trading. Trust me, most of you, 99% of you, can trade one micro mini. Whether mentally you can or not, that's different. But most of you can trade one contract, flip a coin, put it on, and go out and come back at 4 o'clock. Am I right? I mean, I hope so. And you say, yeah, but what if I'm down 300 points? Yeah, $150. Can anyone here? I mean, how many of you could take one trade, a micro mini, a 300-point stop, and not commit suicide before Christmas? If you do, if you answer that question, but no, I would actually, my wife would kill me, then you shouldn't be trading. Because that means you can't take you have to go into a business where you can't risk $150. If you can't, this is not the business you should be in. As much as we love it, we're not going to encourage people to, we don't want to add to the homelessness in American society. Imagine that everybody's, they're interviewing people defecating on the street. What's your problem? Well, my factory was shipped off to China and I have no job. Oh, I feel sorry for you. What's your problem? I became handicapped and they fired me. All right, what's your job? I signed up with Liberty Trading Club and they told me to bet the ranch and I have no money and that's why I'm defecating on the streets of San Francisco. I'm sorry. Oh boy, that Liberty Trading Club, they're hurting people. At least we want you to have a place for your toiletries. I'm a very risk-averse person. When you guys talk to me, you think I'm like ready. Oh, I'm going to call a coach. He's going to tell us how to triple our money tomorrow. No, I'm going to show you how not to lose. Not to lose. I don't want to lose again. Yeah, you want to buy a ranch. That'll be the first thing to tell you. All right, do you have a ranch? No, I live in Chicago. Then have to move, let's see, Wyoming? Small. How about a flower pot? Hey, look at your 60-minute chart, and you'll see what I'm talking about here. It's trying just to come back up to that 200. As you can see, from 5 a.m. at 399, we had the market was coming up to 399, looked like it was going to break it, and then it just plummeted. So anyone long in this area is hoping that the market comes up so they can short it. And when we started this morning, where were the ticks? The first thing that happened this morning were sell programs. And you say, wait a minute, but how could we go long right before the open? They were selling into the rallies. So they're pushing it up so their big boys can sell. The market was way oversold. Yeah, there's an extra data point. That's what, $8 a month, I believe. It'll say NYSE tick. All right, let's take a look at where the market's going. It's stabilizing a little bit, but still average true range is 47. I'd like to see that down below 40. 35 is even better. We'll call trades, guys. We're not shy. We don't just jump in and out every 2 minutes for the heck of it. You'll notice we average about 27 minutes between trades.
All right. Can you
Gotcha,
guys hear me
Coach.
now?
Yep.
Nope. Oh, then, okay.
Coach Brian, where's your stop on this long? Where's your stop? Are you still long? You're still long, right?
Funny.
$239, David? You're using 239? Good. Perfect. There's nothing else as far as, yeah. Can you guys hear me?
Coach, can you hear me now? Or can I not hear you?
Short.
Yeah, I don't think Coach can hear me.
No, they can't hear you.
Oh, okay. Okay, you can guess. Nice.
Yeah, I'm short right now, guys. I'm going to add at 168 and then 148.
Loving it. Good job, guys. Thank you, Coach.
Yeah, now I hear you.
Hey, how about that? Finally got something to work right.
There's your 168. Now 148.
Run, puppy, run.
Whee!
Love it. I got 2 left, Coach.
Great job. Got it on the long side, got it on the short side. Boom. Now the witches are making money on their puts so they can get out. I mean, that's what they do. We said this in the beginning. Watch for these violent, choppy, crazy reversals out of nowhere. And it has nothing to, there were no reports. There was no 10 o'clock report. Just some traders, some institution decided to sell. I know grandma needed money on their puts,
Nice job, Oscar.
but they also had clients who wanted a short, so they had to push it up, then they push it down. I mean, it's ridiculous, right? Good job, guys.
Good job. Wow. Lots of done for the days. Love it. Keep trailing, guys.
Yeah, I've got one more bid. I've got actually 2 bids below here, 134, 126, and I'll have one left. 134, just hit 126. I have one more bid, and then I have one left. You should be up over 100 points, guys. Here comes 126. And then just keep lowering your stop. Yeah, just keep lowering your stop.
If I should have moved the stop one more tick up, so it would have been on 200 tick runners, 200 tick.
Whole bunch of 100-point winners. What the heck? Remember, 108 was our breakout on the upside. Now we can go easily to 108 to the downside. You never know. One never knows.
Nice, Westy. Nice job. Still trailing.
Use coach's stop. That's all. Stay with it.
You're still in too, right, Coach? You got one.
Yeah, well, I have one left now. I got that 126. I got my, I just got filled a 126 cover. I have one left. This is my original micro mini that I did. So I only have one micro mini. Remember, I did two micro minis on the 168 sell stop. So that's one that I have left. I have one micro mini left. Oh boy. I'm making 50 cents.
Looks like you're going to get it.
But I got my original full contracts at 225 on this M here. You see this, guys? So those guys I pulled down to the 180 level, got out of that. Then I got back in 168, and then the 148 with the full one. Where do you have your stop, Coach?
132.
I'm sorry?
132. 132.
132. Let's go. Oh, yeah. I had mine at 133. Ha! 132. There you go.
It's magic.
Yeah, it doesn't matter now, guys, because it's the market is collapsing.
Keep drilling that puppy.
Yeah. Yeah, pull it down another 5 ticks.
Yep.
I made $2.50 extra now. Yeah. Yeah, my stop right now is 125. I have one micro mini back. It doesn't really matter too much, right? And just write it down. Good job, David Elliott.
Nice. You're welcome. Thank you, David.
2 more new people today, right? And we had 10 last 2 days and 2 more today. Not bad on a Friday. Usually nobody signs up on Fridays. But they're amazed.
Trailing mid Bollinger's not a bad one there, Ramon. They are amazed. I love it. Mid Bollinger's not a bad trailing stop on this one.
Nope.
I'm going to use, I'm going to get in front of the mid Bollinger by a couple ticks. I'm going to use 14, Coach.
All right. Sounds good. 14 it is. Still not a bad place to be, right, guys?
Not a bad place.
Here's our 108 that we originally went long at. It's hard to believe it's below where we went long. Which means anyone who went long above 109 thinking the market was going to be up on the day, they're losing money now. Right?
I think I'll use that now too, Coach. 108.
108. Okay, let's do it.
Since it's just a place we went long at.
Yeah. 108 stop. Pretty easy moving stops when you're profitable, right, guys? That's the easiest trade in the book.
Yeah.
Yeah, S1 is 06, 33.
And Robert, I'm going to do something just for Robert. Since the 89's got us deep in the profits, I'm going to attach my last contract to that. So I've got one at 108, one on the 89 exponential. Nice fish.
Great trade, Fish. Two reasons, Jerry. Number one, we knew the market was going to push up in the beginning, right? Why? They needed to get their clients short, right? This is quad witching. And they needed to make some money on their call options. If they dropped it right from the beginning, the calls would evaporate. They wouldn't be able to lift the hedges, right? So you need some money on the call options. So how do you get money on the call options? You push it up. At least that's what I heard. And obviously they did. Even if you didn't hear it, right? You could see it broke 108. I didn't know it was going to go above 108, but I had a buy stop in case they did. In case they push it up, I had a buy stop at 108. Well, after it got up there, then what happens to the put options? They go to nothing, right? So now you need money on the put options. So now you drive it down. Does that make sense? So you go long and you go short.
Anybody still in this? Hopefully you guys are still trailing. This is massive.
Yeah, I'm still there. I got my 108 stop. I'm going to lower that now.
Yeah, let's put that. That's exactly what I was going to say. Let me guess. You're going to go to 90.
Yeah, it was 96, but now I'll put it to 90. Yeah, why not? 90 is a good price because I only have a micro left, sadly. Still pretty good. Lady Ty, good job. Yep, we turn newbies into pros. And
I don't even know what that is.
what is that?
It's just a big pig laying in mud.
That's good. Get that, Ramon.
All right, Dan, have a great weekend.
There we are. There's the two coaches. Well, he said he didn't like to work. That guy doesn't look like he's working too much. Oh, look at him. The other one's working there. He's walking around wagging the tail. People looking at him, waving. The other one's just sleeping. Look at that. All right, guys. $30 points away. This is a monster trade.
Monster. $65.
Okay. Just following the stops, guys. 65 it is. We're up over 100 points in this one. Who's still long? I mean, short. Sorry about that. Yeah. Well, who's still long? You're probably hanging yourself by now. Yeah, and Westy, what they're doing is, most, everybody thinks the hedge funds guess where market's going on and bet the ranch. They really don't. They try to maintain like a neutral balance. And it's almost like the mafia on sports betting. If everybody starts betting on Kansas City, they start increasing the odds. They increase the score. If Kansas City's favored by 10 and everybody's betting on Kansas City, then they make it 14. You know what I mean? It's like this way. They want to be right in the middle.
Oh, got me. All right.
One left. Yeah, me too.
Got one left.
Flat. I only had one left. Still a good trade, guys.
Good job, guys. Nice trade, everyone.
It's funny. This trade was exactly 31 minutes after the previous long we called. Isn't that funny?
Not a bad short signal, but I think everybody's done, made some money. Are you still in? I have the last one on the 89, Denise. You could re-short. Yeah, there you go. You got that, Denise?
Guys, Coach and I are just talking. Every trade that is like a huge winner, you always go, why didn't I bet more on this stupid? I knew this was going to happen. But that's good. Imagine every trade you ever do for the rest of your career, you wish you had more contracts doing it instead of the opposite way, right? Why did I do that? I should have traded a micro mini. Oh, man, another 35 points. Right? So
be happy with that all day.
Don't get too don't get too aggressive. And everybody can be happy. Everybody's green today, right? Hopefully. And if not, just like yesterday, I think it was Paul. I'm not sure. Paul was red near the end. We got him green.
Nice job, guys.
Yep, everybody finished yesterday green.
And let's slow it down a little bit. Slow it down a little bit. Everybody's green. Let's slow down. Take a breather.
Yeah, we love to hear DFDs. Yep. And I'm going to take an early coffee break.
Yay, me too.
2 minutes.
I think now's a good time to do that.
There you
go. Yeah, while we're doing coffee break.
There you go.
We got like 10 people done.
Coffee break. Love it. Mark, good job, Mark.
All right, for all you guys that are done for the day, here we go. While we're doing coffee break.
John, you'll get there by 4 o'clock. I have no doubt you'll get there.
Good morning, everyone. Paulina here from Liberty Trading Club. Hopefully you're enjoying the live stream this morning. If you'd like to join us live in the trade room to participate in our live trade calls and chat to have questions answered by a coach, visit libertytradingclub.com and register for your free 3-day trial. After your first 3 days, it's just $99 a month for trade room access. Please like, subscribe, and share.